Qwen 3.8 Max releases today with 2.4 trillion parameters. By delivering proprietary-level scale as an open-weight model, it brings frontier intelligence directly to your developer workspace. This ecosystem map outlines the architecture we are going to build today. We will set up a three-tiered environment, connecting web, agent, and local systems into a single, cohesive workflow. This validation matrix confirms the model's logic capabilities. In front-end coding benchmarks, Qwen 3.8 Max consistently outscores top proprietary models like Fable 5. To leverage that coding logic, you need to configure an environment that can handle complex agentic workflows. We'll start with the most accessible layer. Step 1 is establishing immediate access. Open a browser and navigate to chat.qwen.ai. This web interface gives you direct entry to the model. Enter a complex logic prompt. Ask it to build a React-based hero section with specific gradient styles and typography. This side-by-side view shows the model generating the complete React component on the left while instantly rendering a live preview of the UI on the right. Notice the highly detailed visual aesthetic. The model applies precise CSS gradients and polished typography by default. Generating these components in the browser interface lets you rapidly prototype and refine your UI before you commit the final logic into your local codebase. Now that we have our UI components, we will connect Qwen to a third-party coding harness via the terminal to drive an autonomous agent. This terminal window shows the startup command for the Claude code harness. Type the start command and make sure you append the exact flag --model Qwen 3.8 Max to avoid routing errors. This configuration file manages our multimodal orchestration. On lines 6 through 8 of the YAML file, we assign Qwen 3.8 Max as the dedicated reasoning engine to handle the core logic tasks. This terminal output confirms the boot sequence. The system loads context, memory is initialized, and it actively starts the autonomous loop using our designated model. This GitHub repository shows the result of that loop. The agent maintains a 16-day streak of autonomous commits, independently refactoring code, improving error handling, and running build sequences. With this orchestration layer configured, the model continuously tests and improves your codebase in the background as a tireless team member. To scale this beyond your local environment and integrate the model into external SaaS products, we need programmatic access. This Qwen Cloud dashboard provides the necessary infrastructure. Navigate to the API Key Management tab to view your current usage telemetry. Click the Generate New API Key button in the top right corner. Copy the resulting connection string and store it securely. This API connection allows you to embed the model's reasoning capabilities directly into your application, moving your project from a prototype to a live product. For tasks involving sensitive enterprise data, routing through cloud servers presents a security risk. The solution is the Mixture of Experts, or MOE, architecture for edge deployment. This terminal shows the process. Execute the pull command for the 27B MOE variant to download the lightweight model weights directly to your machine. Because this is a targeted MOE variant, you can unpack and run it using standard consumer hardware. This local terminal displays the inference process. We execute the run command, input our prompt, and the model generates a response entirely on device. Look at the telemetry at the bottom. The MOE architecture processes the request at 45 tokens per second natively. Processing this inference locally guarantees absolute data privacy, and it completely removes network latency for your most sensitive code. You have now deployed a complete AI workspace. Your code is syncing smoothly across web, agent, and local environments. You can use the web portal for rapid UI prototyping, the API for external SaaS integrations, and the local MOE variant to process sensitive data with zero latency. Check the video description below to copy the exact YAML configuration templates used in this build. You are fully equipped to orchestrate a 2.4 trillion parameter model from your own desktop.